Today, I'll show you how to create a camera flash effect in CapCut. Let's get started. First, make sure your video clips are placed in the timeline. Then, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Media tab. From the drop-down menu, select Library. Expand the options and use the search bar to type in white. Once the search results appear, select the first white image and drag it onto your timeline. Resize the image so it completely covers the screen and place it directly above the clip where you want to add the flash effect. Adjust the length of the image layer to match the duration of your clip. Now, select the white image layer and go to the Video tab on the right. Under the Basics section, look for the Blend option. Change the blend mode to Overlay. Then adjust the opacity to your preference to control how intense the flash effect looks. To create the flash animation, stay in the Video tab and scroll to the animation settings. Click on the Out tab and select the Fade Out animation. Set the animation duration so it covers almost the entire length of the clip, leaving just 0.2 to 0.3 seconds at the end. Once this is done, you can copy the effect to other clips in your timeline. Make sure to adjust the fade-out animation length for each clip as needed. Finally, play your video to review the effect. You'll notice the smooth camera flash effect over your clips, and that's the easiest way to add a camera flash effect in CapCut.